Hey everyone, it's Eazi here, I hope you're doing well, and today we're going to be taking another look into engineering in Elite Dangerous. This time we'll be heading planetside to John Jameson's Crash Cobra, and there we will be collecting data information for our engineers. To head to the crash site, head to HIP 12099 planet 1b at the coordinates -543, -53. For those that struggle to fly by coordinates, you can also bring a detailed surface scanner with you and scan the site and fly in directly. Whilst we head down, I thought I'd take a little bit of time to tell you what I know about John Jameson and the crash site itself. The first time we hear the name Jameson is in the first Elite, where you play Commander Jameson as the main protagonist in his Cobra Mark III. In Frontiers Elite 2, players inherit an Eagle Mark I from their grandfather Peter Jameson, and although not directly in the game, the manual contains a letter to the player addressed to John Jameson Jr. With this information we can deduce that the player in Elite 2 is either the grandson or the great-grandson of the original Elite Peter Jameson. During the First Thargoid War, our JJ was recruited by Inara and tasked to deploy a mysoid bomb to a Thargoid hive ship. He was briefed that after approaching the Thargoid hive ship, he should release the weapon and it would disable the frameshift drive of the Thargoid hive. After deploying the bomb though, his sensors told a very different story. A weapon, much as it was, the target of the mysoid bomb was not in fact the frameshift drives but the biomass itself of the Thargoids. Decimating the entire ship and its crew, this marks the final victory point for humanity in the First Thargoid War. Unfortunately for poor Jono, this wasn't the end of his worries. Fearing backlash from the genocide they had just committed, Imra had added a few extra modifications to Jameson's Cobra before he left for his mission. As he soared away from the hive ship, the entirety of his internal system shut down, sending him on a crash course with the closest planet that would be his final resting place. And there he remained till November the 25th in the year 3303, where the site was uncovered by Commander Robbie Jr. Now that we're here at the site, let's get into the methods for collecting your data. Firstly and most importantly, you must find a position to park your SRV where you can see all 4 data points. After this, swap to turretive mode and spin round, scanning all 4 points as you go. Now, just like the Dav's Hope guide, all you need to do is drop out to the main menu and jump back in again, and all 4 points should be reset ready to scan again. After about 15 minutes you should have done this enough to max out your grade 5 and grade 4 encrypted data. Obviously this is only a small portion of the data you can have, so from here we intend to go to the nearest start port with a data trader and trade down and across to all the other forms of data. The closest trader I could find was in Ray Terminal in Diaguandri, so if you set your navigation terminal I will meet you there. Now we're at the terminal, the process is quite easy. Just go to your contacts menu and find the material trader. From this menu, all you need to do is trade down and across to make sure you have as few materials as possible in your encryption archives and your encryptions capture, ready to go back to the crash site and refill your data. Thanks again for watching another video guide. If you did find it helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave me a like or subscribe, or even commented in the section down below with any suggestions you have for videos going forward. I've also started a Discord channel for my local BGS group, so if you're looking for somewhere to ask questions and learn as a player, or just to hang out with the guys, please do come along, the link is in the description below. That's all from me for today, Commanders, so until next time, take it easy out there.